Hi guys, it's Me2the1967. Today we're bringing you an unboxing of the wireless 900 desktop. This is a wireless full desktop edition with Microsoft mouse. The reason why I chose this is obviously because of the hotkeys at the end, and they were doing a good deal with Argos. Alright, click and collect, definitely recommend that one. Alright, so on to the unboxing. Okay, all I've done is I've removed the two stickers at the back. So inside you see it's a matte black. Now the Microsoft 850 I believe has the black finish on there, but the problem with that is the gloss black is it shows every finger mark. So anyway, firstly we'll take the mouse out and then we'll remove the keyboard itself. Right, so let's see what else is in the box. You've got your wireless instructions. Of course, I know it'll be made in China, so shall we find out? Back of the box. Alright. Microsoft Way, Richmond. And I think it is produced in China. Yeah, there you go, made in China. I don't like anything Chinese, but sometimes that's just the way it is in the world. There's another booklet there. This is just the warranty. Now inside the box, you've got, I'll take these out. You've got two sets of batteries and one AAA's, one AA's, and you've got a wireless dongle thing. Okay, so let's take that out. It's two. Right. On the back, you've got these nice pair of little legs. Alright, flip them back, they go there, then back like that, so we see like soft touch keypad. Alright, so we're now going to insert the batteries. Alright, I'm going to need to get myself on the board. Never prepared. Right. Notice that the Duracell batteries as well. I reckon there's a 2-year, Duracell OEM, not for retail sale. So we pop this open like so. This is very similar to the one that I reviewed, the multimedia one. If I can get it open. It's going to be a bit of a tight one. There we go. Alright. So that'll be for the mouse. These will be for the keyboard. So. Alright. So again. No. Now they go in there. Snug fit. 1, 2. Microsoft reckon there's 2 years. You don't have to renew these for 2 years, which is a good thing. There you go, all this up. I'm going to try this out in a minute on the laptop and demonstrate this working. Alright, so again the mouse just pops open like that. Okay, and you've got your two batteries, just simply slot in. I think that's the right way. Yep, it is. Drops in like so. Yep, and that indicates it's on, that one as well. I believe that's the way. We shall find out. Alright, right, that way, isn't it? So that's it, there's your, that just indicates, that's an off button, and then your on button. It should have an on and off button on this as well. Let's have a look, see. We'll have on it somewhere. Boom, 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 boom. Sides. Somewhere on it. Right. Anyway, let's go and try this out, and we'll be back in a second. Hi there, yep, back again. This is just showing you how it works. There's the little Microsoft transmitter. It just pops in any of them. Now, bearing in mind that this actually operates both the keyboard and the mouse. So I'm going to just try and type something in. Whatever. Really works fast. You can just put, there's a delete button on there. Let's try and find the delete, which is there. And then we go the mouse as well. Where is the delete button? There you go. And we've got two delete buttons. Right. and we could just put Microsoft. We'll put 900 on there. Okay. There you go, Microsoft Desktop 900. So you can see it's working, absolutely spot on, and it finds it straight away. Really responsive. I love this mouse. The scroll wheel on it is excellent. It just really responsive, and the fact that because this is a full-size desktop, it feels like if you compare that to the laptop, you know, you're looking at there's hardly any difference at all. This is a Logitech mouse I've had for a while now. But you can see the difference. I'm comfortable with that. But you see the difference between that and the Microsoft mouse, which is even bigger again. So I absolutely love that because I've got big gorilla hands. So that's that flashing. Just on this side, that's the Logitech. So yeah, definitely recommend this, guys. Picks up instantly, knows it. It works on Windows 10. Really fast. Right. Picks it up straight away and find out where the delete button is. There it is. And we'll just put Logitech. I think it's Tech. There we go. Brill. So there you go. Just a quick look. Definitely recommend this over the last one that I had, which were the finger pad, which I didn't like at all. I definitely recommend the mouse, and this one is an absolute steal at $27.99 from Argos, so get it now. And I don't work for Microsoft. Thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Yeah.